Hey friends, hope this finds you well. I am so excited to share with you the March Potomac Beads box. It's a beauty, another beauty I should say. So without further ado, let's get to it. So this one is called Earthen Serenity. It's a treasure box, and here's the list of all the items in it. This collection invites you to rekindle a deep bond with the natural world, encouraging a sense of peace through the understated elegance of earth-inspired hues. Set against a canvas of topaz and bronze, the vibrant greens of fresh spring buds, and the ethereal translucent blue breath life into the ensemble. The organic texture of natural linen cord and the unique dappled appearance of check glass introduce a tactile dimension to your creations. Every piece you will design will become a cherished keepsake, echoing the tranquil and balanced essence of nature's serene beauty. So I'm excited to see what we've got. All right. We have coffee beans. Yes, coffee beans. They're not real, no worries, but definitely look very real, very fun bead. And then we have some faceted, check glass faceted roundel beads in brown, AB, 9 millimeters. Very, very unique. Look at that AB. I'm loving that. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, these are beautiful. Sunset AB check faceted rounds in 14 millimeters. Wow. Look at that beauty. Look at that sparkle. So pretty. So pretty. Ah, I love these. A whole bag of mixed check glass beads called Sandy Treasures. All kinds of browns and reds and clears and AB and all kinds of stuff that'll be fun to delve into. And then it talked about the linen cord. Some linen cord to make our creations on. And then we have a strand of these are, let's see, check rounds. These are probably the 8 millimeter, I think. Nice brown. And then some wood beads. Hemu wood beads round in 8 millimeters. Ooh, these are cool. These are really pretty. These are the check glass tile beads. I love tile beads in black and gold. Some of my favorite shapes. Look at that. And then the gold on the edge. I keep putting it a little too far over. Sorry, folks. Ooh, look at these. These are pretty. Check leaf hearts in peridot and with an AB finish. Very pretty. I like peridot and AB finish. Look. Let's see the other side. There's the AB. See that? How pretty is that? Cute little leaves. Super cute. And then we have the check flat cube beads in jet antique gold. Very interesting color. Look at that. Very cool. We have Potomac crystal bicones and smoky topaz with an AB finish in 6 millimeters. These are beauties. Ooh, look at those. Oh, how beautiful is that? Ooh, I love that. Smoky topaz. Ooh, can't wait to use those. Ooh, this gray. Mayuki Seed Beads Translucent Slate in 8 O's. Wow, I'm really liking that. That's pretty. Some lever back earrings, backings. These are fun. I can open it. How cool is that? Very nice. Oh, this is a fun strand. These are faceted check rounds in 4 millimeters. Ooh, look at that. I like those spots. Some dagger beads. I gotta love a dagger bead. Look at, I love the spotting, and there's like another kind of AB. Not sure. Doesn't say it's AB, but it does got a sheen to it. And then some of their Eva beads, sorry, and jet bronze, 6x9. These are cool beads. I like the unique shape beads when they send them. And then we have some corrugated melon beads and 8 millimeter antique brass plating. They're really pretty. Definitely an earthy, outdoorsy tone to this vibe, to this box. Very pretty. Oh, these are really pretty. This is Check Smooth Round Light Earthy Mix in 6 millimeters. Very just there's a variety in here. Gotta see these. So pretty. So pretty. All right. Well, we will have to see what all of this beautiful stuff will make. I'll soon have a DIY video, a design on the fly, and maybe some other fun videos. Oh my goodness, so much funness here. So stay tuned, and also make sure Fridays, 4 o'clock, you follow me and Trish here on our YouTubes and on our Queen Beads. All right, that's Bailey. Take care. Bye.